Shout out to Kenshin's fan out there. Today we're gonna talk about Rurouni Kenshin's Kuzuryu Sen. This may be a fictional technique, but it is based on real basics of Japanese swordsmanship. It comes from the basic 8 strikes in Kenjutsu. But Kenshin have 9, probably for coolness reasons. Let's explore them, shall we? This cut needs no introduction. It is the first cut to be learned to understand how to handle the Japanese katana. This is a powerful strike that comes from the above and cuts down through the opponent's center line. Remember, 70% on the left hand and 80% power on your right hand. Push and pull for both arms for velocity and power to your cut. Extend both arms for reach and consistency. Cuts down through the middle. Raise in the middle, cut down the same path. Next is the left and right diagonal cut. Like the previous cut, you raise from the center and adjust to the diagonal angle, then cut. Please note some schools might go up diagonally straight instead of center. Remember to check with your dojo and sensei because each kata may have different interpretations. For now, this is just the general steps most would do to do the diagonal cut. Let's break it down. Right hand does the initial angle adjustment, left hand follows accordingly. Same like downward cut, left elbow pulls following the edge alignment. 70% left, 30% right. Right palm aims the alignment, the left wrist, elbows and grip follows accordingly. Maybe it's a bad habit of mine or how my body naturally feels it should. I would push with the right hand first for momentum, then allow the left hand to pull the sword down after. When doing smoothly, it should look like one smooth movement. Diagonal cut from shoulder to the center. The most common horizontal cut we see are Kendo's and Iaido's abdomen cut, or dogiri. However, depending if you're doing a formal kata, hamegishiri cutting, or sparring. Kendo, Iaido, Batojutsu, or Kenjutsu, there are various heights to the horizontal cuts. I am personally not entirely sure, but I imagine most Ryuha cut the abdomen or the sternum. For now, I share what I know. When I progress future, I can reflect and make corrections. This is a general grip of horizontal cut. Extend your elbows forward during the cut. The left arm does the rotation whilst the right arm follows along. Quick look at the cutting the sternum and the abdomen. Extend the elbow out, keep blade horizontal, right elbow to adapt and support the left hand. Same with the abdomen cut, maintain the blade horizontally to your hips. Maintain cutting extension and feel how both arms should maintain tenouchi integrity. The cut needs to be cleanly horizontal. Kiriage are the upwards diagonal cut, commonly found in Tameshi Giri and Batojutsu cutting demonstration. The stance to perform Kiriage cut is known to be Wakino Kamae. Right hand will be at an awkward angle, so it is important to let the left hand hold the sword. Power comes from the left hand whilst the right does a push-up. As for the left side, Hidari no Kamae, our arms are crossed uncomfortably. Just like the horizontal cut, our arms crosses when the sword is on the left side. We need to recognize to reverse our tenouchi strength distribution. In this case, the right arm had the lead, the cutting angle and force, whilst the left follows along with a push. Notice the right elbow is in full extension, just like the left when it's reversed. Similar cutting angles as the kesage. It started raining, so I had to film this section under shelter. Finally, the last target is the skeet, the forward thrust to the sternum. Starting position, the tip kisaki points towards the opponent's neck. Thrust following your center. Wrist does a small squeeze and extension. Kisaki does an inward thrust. The thrust is not a matter of poking. It is more of pushing the tip of your hara through the opponent's center. Pretty cool Easter eggs, eh? So, can you pull off a Kuzuryu Sen from the anime? First, you take a ready stance in Chudan no Kamae, and then striking 9 targets together can only be done by fictions and movie magic. But it stems from the basics of real-world Kenjutsu striking. Hope this is an educational and entertaining. Practice hard, practice safe. If you haven't already, please support and like by subscribe and give that bell a ding. Come check out my other cool videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.